So I'm sure by now everyone has heard about California's little water problem. See, California is in one of the most severe droughts on record, leading to mandatory water restrictions. But what would your reaction be if I told you that Long Island was in a water crisis too? It's not that we're running out of water like California, but we are slowly poisoning our only source of fresh water. See, Long Island gets all of their water from the ground, from groundwater, from 3 different aquifers. And unfortunately, Long Island also has an excess of nitrogen, mostly due to faulty septic system, which is really gross. This nitrogen not only goes into our bodies of water like the Peconic Bay and the Long Island Sound, where it causes detrimental environmental harm, but more concerning, it can leach into our groundwater, and that causes human health concerns. So my research group and I are looking at a way to clean the water and get excess nitrogen off of Long Island without adding any chemicals into the system. And we came up with this idea of constructed wetlands on Long Island. See, constructed wetlands combine landscape architecture and environmental engineering and put plants to work, doing what plants have done for millennia. See, the plants that we choose, like water hyacinth or like Phragmites, they take up nitrogen in large amounts because they need it to survive. But they don't just take up nitrogen. They take up phosphorus. They take up metals like aluminum, copper, and zinc, while decreasing the biological oxygen demand and the chemical oxygen demand. And these are all things that a normal wastewater treatment center would do, but it's doing it using less energy and generally 10 to 20 times faster. There's this place in New Jersey called Duke Farms that has a constructed wetland, and it takes about 12,000 gallons of water a day. But they recycle that water as a source of drip irrigation. And that got me thinking, why don't we do that on Long Island? Because it's groundwater, it's already a limited resource. If we were to use that water as a source of gray water or a non-potable source, we can use less water. Because if you think about it, we use water irresponsibly. We use fresh water in toilets, which no one's going to drink. So if we use the gray water there, we're saving water, we're decreasing the nitrogen, and we're doing it with less energy. That's what my group and I are looking at right now. We want to take this concept of constructed wetlands and turn it into a reality for Long Island. Thank you.